In this video, you will learn how to create Python code to start Turtle racing game. First of all, we need to import Turtle library. Here you need to create an object pen so that you can draw the screen. Pen object is created with the help of Turtle function, which is defined in Turtle library. Here we are doing pen up so that Turtle moves without any drawing. This code places the turtle on the specified coordinates, that is 150 and minus 140. Pen down tells the turtle that you need to draw lines and color is specified, that is black. Begin fill function, fill the shape. We are going to draw a rectangle. For that we are running a for loop range 2. So following steps will be repeated 2 times. It will draw a line segment of 20 units. Then it turns the turtle 90 degree, makes the right angle, then forward 300 points, then left. These statements will be repeated 2 times, so it will draw a rectangle and fill so that another shape will not be filled, which we are going to draw, that is circle. Again pen up to move the cursor, move the turtle without drawing and place the turtle in new location, that is 150 and 60. Pen down and it creates a circle 40 unit radius. Then pen up and place the cursor on a new location, that is minus 150 and minus 100. Pen down tells the turtle to draw a shape, that is circle of 40 units. Here we are creating a window by calling the screen function, which is available in Turtle library. We are creating 2 player. First player is created and its shape is turtle. Its color is turquoise. Pen up to move the turtle without drawing, and the place of the first player is minus 150 to 100. Another player is again turtle, but its color is red. Pen up tells the turtle move the turtle in a new specified place without drawing. New location of the turtle is minus 150 minus 60 coordinates. Finish line we have specified 150. We have defined 2 functions, move 1, move 2. These functions help to move the turtle in forward direction 5 units. We are running a while loop so that till we are pressing the keys left and right, the turtle will move. We are updating the window here. When window on key function is called, left key is pressed, then move function is called and window listen and executes it. If found that player 1 position is greater than finish line X, then it writes I won the race and font is Arial and 20 its size and loop is breaked. Okay, and when window on key move to, right key is pressed, then move to function is called. It moves the player 2. Window listen and executes this statement. If find that player 2 position is more than finish line, then it print the message I won the race, font is Arial and 20, and it breaks the loop. So let's run the program by clicking the run menu, run module. See, one window you see in front of you. It creates one rectangle, 2 circles and 2 turtles of one red color, one another color. There, just start the program. I am pressing the right arrow key and it moves the red turtle. When I press the left arrow key, it moves the another turtle. So I am moving both the turtles by pressing both the keys and both are moving. Okay, and when red turtle moves the finish line, it prints a simple message I won the race. So this was the code. Thank you very much.